I'm giving you a real world scenario of what it's actually like to use this DEWALT inflator. Now I've got a low tire on my trailer and these things take 80 pounds. The way this inflator works is a couple different ways. Number one, you can power it off a battery, put your DEWALT battery in there, or you can pop up the backside, pop it open, and plug this into a cigarette lighter. So it's got dual power options. It also has the tire inflator on one end. That's the one we're going to use. But it also has the inflatables end on this end. So you can, blow up beach balls, boats, all kinds of stuff over on this end. To get it running is very simple. Hit the power button. This will cycle between tires or air. So that's air on the right, tires on the left, and this is your light up top. Then you just dial up your PSI to what you're shooting for. And like I said, this is an 80-pound tire. So I'm going to dial it way up. We got a lot of pumping to do. Now a nice thing about it is that you can walk away from it while it's pumping. Since it's set to 80, that baby's not going to stop till it gets to 80. Now while the DEWALT inflator is working, I think you can probably guess one of the downsides. It's not super fast. I think people will tell you this thing is like lightning fast. Now after 5 minutes, this thing is up to 25 pounds. So with just a small battery, at least you can pump your tires or get them pumped up higher than they were. Also, the fact that you can plug it into your car is a real plus because you don't have to carry the batteries with you. Without a doubt, this DEWALT pump can be a lifesaver. Like, it can definitely get you out of a jam. At the same time, when you're in a predicament where you need to pump and you don't have like a compressor or a lot more power, it's never ideal. This little unit is definitely on the slower side in comparison to big compressors. It just is by nature. But after 4 or 5 minutes, I'm up to 28 pounds. So I'm getting there with this compressor. The air port on the other side is a plus. But for me, the mainstay of this compressor is the fact that you can pump up vehicle tires, bicycles, stuff like that.